Don't call me Superman if you haven't found my kryptonite.
What is going on YouTube? It is the Big K Cops 360 here, and Microsoft have come out and released the additions that will come out with Windows 10 when it comes out. Now, pretty much when I start talking, you'll know what I mean. So first of all, we have Windows 10 Home. This is your stock standard Windows. Consumer oriented. It's going to be sold on desktop PCs that you're going to find in like your local JB Hi-Fi or your Harvey Norman or whatever. If you're from the United States, I'm saying Australian electronic retail stores, so you probably won't know what I am on about. But yes, just your standard Windows 10 Home, just like Windows 7 Home Premium, just like Windows 8 Home, stock standard shit. You've got Windows 10 Pro, which is designed for small and medium businesses. Obviously it's equivalent to Windows 8.1 Pro, so you've got Hyper-V support, you've got remote desktop host support, joining domains and whatnot. And there's this new feature that they've added. It's called the choose your own device system. So pretty much, if an employee goes to a store and he buys a Windows 10 Pro PC, as soon as he logs in to his computer at his company, assuming he's using it for business needs, as soon as he logs it in with his his company credentials and whatnot, the Windows server for his company will upload all of the company software, install them and configure them onto his computer. The IT department won't have to do jack shit. It will all be automatic. That is really nice. That is sick. I'm quite amazed that Microsoft was able to implement something like that. It's honestly some sick shit. Next of all, we have Windows 10 Mobile. This is for smartphones, small tablets, and of course, if you're using Windows 10 Mobile, you will be able to get a touch optimized version of Microsoft Office, which is obviously something that you want if you're using Windows 10 on what's going to be a touch-based device. Next of all, we have Windows 10 Mobile Enterprise, which is interesting. So if you've got your tablet and whatever, you've got Windows 10 Mobile, but you've got the enterprise features. So getting updates, getting certain apps and whatnot. It's nothing special. Next of all, we have Windows 10 Enterprise, just like Windows 7 Enterprise or whatever. Same old shit. It just allows volume licensing, so you have a lot of different licensing, a lot of different licenses. It's for businesses pretty much. And yeah, next of all, we have Windows 10 Education, which is interesting because normally Microsoft would give schools, or they would suggest that schools use Windows 10 Enterprise, but now we've got Windows 10 Education, which obviously it's derived from Windows 10 Enterprise. It's designed to meet the needs of schools. And of course, there's academic volume licensing. So my school right now is still on Windows 7. We haven't even hit 8. I don't know if it's because the DET, or the Department of Education and Training, doesn't like the schools using Windows 8 or some shit, but who gives a fuck? So let's keep going. And last of all, we have Windows 10. I believe that's IoT or LOT. I'm not really sure. It's hard to tell. But pretty much, this is for your embedded systems. This is for your POS machines. When I say POS, I mean point of sales. So if you work at Subway or you work at anywhere that uses a point of sales machine, fucking anywhere, you go to buy something, you're seeing someone use a point of sales machine. It's a shit like that. It's cool. It's going to be separated into different sub editions as usual. So based on the system. So yeah. That's some pretty sick shit, pretty standard. We've got some new additions here. This Windows 10 Education and Mobile Enterprise are mainly the two new ones. I don't know if the fucking embedded shit was already there. I believe it was. But yeah. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And well, I guess what edition of Windows are you gonna get? Because man, I'm getting fucking Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.